Big green candle on Brent looks powerful, but my tool instantly shows there is no volume behind it. A strong candle without volume is a bluff, and the market is full of bluffs. I'm Eric Cole. I work with commodities, Brent, gold, silver, and the first thing my tool does is check the news backdrop. Green indicator, no major events expected. Then my AI analytics tool scans over 10 indicators and volume is one of them. The candle shows you the surface, but the system shows you what's actually underneath. And that's where the truth is. I've created a free 3-lesson mini course on reading commodity markets. My community has everything for beginners and professionals alike. Plus, you get free access to the AI analytics tool. If you want to see past the surface, come join the community. Link is right below the video. Trading involves risk. This is educational content, not financial advice.